So this, again, is the owner of Allie, and recently I had a rather serious fall. Haven't been able to get around all that well, but when I'm lying on the couch, she will get up here and lie beside me. And she used to do that more often, but she hardly ever does anymore. And she used to sleep on my bed with me at night, but she doesn't do that anymore either.
As a matter of fact, my mom was always worried that the cat was going to attack her in her sleep.
Well, yes, that was kind of a get up there and attack my face head, which were the only uncovered things on the bed. But anyhow, she seems to have, at the time when I was not doing well and was lying down more often, was she, but it was okay. She would lie beside me, but it was like she would say, "But don't touch me." She wanted to do what she wanted to do on her own, but I mustn't try to get too personal in our relationship. And I don't know what else to say about her.